Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series called A Craft a Day Keeps the Stress Away, where I'm going to be taking either 1 or 2 weeks out of the month and sharing one DIY every day. Some days they may be brand new DIYs you haven't seen before, other days they may be an oldie but goodie that you may have missed. This week's theme is going to be grab your tea and let's get crafting.
I found this on Pinterest and I thought it was so cute, so let's make our version.
I'm going to be using these bamboo rings from Dollar Tree.
I'm going to take a piece of burlap, and I know this one has lace. I think I can take it off, maybe not. It's okay. I'm just going to flip it, and I'm going to attach it right onto the top of the ring.
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over.
You can use any type of fabric that you'd like. I'm just going to use this fabric piece from Dollar Tree and cut up my little strands. You can make the pieces as even as you would like, or you can do different sizes. Okay, so with any craft, I change my mind a million times. So, these are the pieces that I cut to begin with. Then I decided to go shorter, so I cut them in half. So this half, I'm going to fold it over, and then I'm going to just trim it a little bit so that it's a little bit more pointy at the top.
Give me something, give me something. 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 I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this can't be. Trying to find another way.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of my crafts. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.